it's lockable right here, so you can lock it up and nobody can get inside. It's on either side.
Okay.
Also right here, he's opened it up for us. Tons of storage in there. Also scuba tank racks. So if you're a scuba diver, there's racks specifically for your scuba tank.
Wow. It's like the Swiss Army knife, you know.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Great for entertainment on the sandbar.
That's it.
Great for fishing and also for scuba diving if
Right.
that's your thing. All right, thanks for showing me around.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks.
Thanks. So yeah, this is like a Swiss Army knife of boats. It does everything, a little bit of everything. You can see here, if you get on the sandbar, you have to jump out. You have a comfort here of pulling out your ladder. And then you can have access on both sides. There, you can also measure your catch. As you guys can see right there. Then you have the multiple storage units that he showed us for your bait and your live fish and whatever. So, yeah. And that's Blackfin. Okay, let's continue.
Oh, you are?
Okay. Hope you guys are having fun. Awesome. Here we have Grady boats. Oh, I didn't know Grady partnered up with somebody. Now it's Grady White, and here you have a triple Yamaha engines. I like the color. It's not actually white. It's a cream kind of color. Same color theme over here. Two gigantic Garmin monitors, and of course you have the pole holders for your fishing rods. So this is a 2023 Canyon, and it's going for $328,000. This one right here. You guys can see those are the prices. Okay, let's continue. There you have another one, $260,000. That's what it looks like. Over here we have Monterey, and this is a 385SS, retailing for $549,000. Boat as well, marine service. Beautiful boat. And I don't know what's that? Let's see what the vendors have over here. We haven't done all the boats, guys, so this is just walking around to see what else we have. So here we have soap, detail spray, all-purpose clean, screen glass. We have a whole slew of products here. That's for polishing your paint.
15 power eyepiece.
Just amazing. Look at that. Looks vintage, but it's brand new. And
Functional, but also look nice in your house. That's kind of what we're going for.
Lux Optica.
Stuff like that. Ranches out west, the mountain states. A lot of people in the mountain states buy them. How's it going?
Good. And they actually work, right?
Not that good.
Okay, yeah.
No,
but
I'm just kidding. They work very well. You can look this up.
okay. Let's take a look at this one. But they will do very well in your house or patio or whatever.
You can actually hold the eyepiece of the camera up to the lens.
Let's take a look here.
Let's go on.
Yeah, you have to put it just right. But it's awesome. It looks really nice.
They reach see them for 11,000. 11 plus.
This is the stand of Sandy Hook Yacht. And here we have JL Audio. They've just completely taken over the marine scene. You can see the different type of speakers they have. I have their catalog right here. JL Audio, and they'll also do your G.
You guys want anything to drink?
This seems to be some kind of
I'm gonna go check out the.
stabilization. So let's continue looking at JL Audio. Let's see what they have. Remote controller. Okay, let's continue.
Yeah, it's one of those big photo nuts.
Thank you so much. Also, they did offer that if anybody wants to see
This one has two Suzuki 250s.
Oh yeah, that's what Matt was telling me. He goes, if anybody does Thank you.
A single Verado engine, and this one looks really nice, but it's powered by a Mercury 115 single outboard. It's another nice one. Be great at the sandbar. It's another nice one from Bavaria. The R40 Coupe. And this one is available now, as you guys can see. Triple piloting stations. You have one here on the outside, one on top, and of course one inside. There are 3 ways to hold the boat securely and accurately. Harvest Moon, based out of Ocala, Florida. Powered by single Yamaha 300. This one is set up so you can already cook your... okay. And this one, you can see it has a stove over there, the oven. So what year is this one?
This is a 2020. Huh?
Okay. So what can you tell us about this particular boat? Like looking from the front, it looks really nice because it has it's covered, you know, in case it's raining or it's inclement weather out there.
Yep.
So what can you tell us about it, and about how much would it run cost?
Yeah, so this is 2020, obviously used.
Yes.
27 Ranger tug. Since we're down here in the heat of Florida,
Yes.
beautiful city of Sarasota, we equipped ours what's called the Luxury Edition.
Okay.
Luxury Edition is going to include either lithium-ion batteries, gasoline generator, and the reason is so you can power your air conditioning underway.
Oh.
So you have full AC on this boat as well as reverse cycle heat.
You have a bow thruster for maneuverability. You know, a lot of quality of life options that really just help with everyday maneuvering.
Where are you guys based out of?
So the boats are actually manufactured out of Seattle, Washington, so
Yes.
Pacific Northwest. We have 3 office locations in the state of Florida.
Okay.
We have Pensacola, which is in the Panhandle.
Yes.
We have our Sarasota office.
Okay.
And then I run the Fort Myers location.
All right. Thanks very much, man.
Yeah, of course, man.
Okay. So you guys can see the boat. Take a quick look here. Inside, it's really clean, impeccable. Equipped with the Garmin GPS. And this is WhatsApp from Kenosha, Wisconsin. Made its way all the way down here. Beautiful one.
Thank you.
This is still you guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have it all the good cabin cruises is what we have.
Awesome.
Made in America.
Awesome.
Thanks, man.
Yep. It's also made in America. You don't want to fall in there. Got the control station there on the fly bridge. Garmin antenna is right there. Another nice cabin cruiser here.
I'm going to move the slot allocation for whatchamacallit,
I don't see the price.
campground guy.
I'm gonna explore this though. They're caught water. Here you have the vendors. Here you have unique furniture for Florida. Really some unique pieces here.
Bench is pretty cool. Reclaimed wood.
It's made from driftwood. That's a really beautiful horse right there. It's really unique art. Let's make our way out. Good one right here. There's a price on here. 1,500. Antique engine control.
don't even drown myself. I'll be right back.
Here we have a reef runner. See if there's any information about it.
That was a brave move.
There's not here.
It's good until it's not. Fortune favors the bold.
The beautiful boat comes with an aluminum trailer. Please remove shoes in case you want to go in there to look at the boat. Still, we have some unique art. There you have the restrooms. That's the exit. Okay, let's go this way. Sorry about the turning around. Hope it doesn't make you guys.
And again, they come with the original manufacturer.
I can't believe you know what. Got it.
That's the story.
All right.
Hello.
So this used to be 143, but now it's 139,000.
We need 10,000 towing or we need 8,000? You stay under 20. Here, you guys go on there with Mama. Go on there, like. Yeah, go for it. Stay right there. Hop on.
And this one is just 93,000.
No, not for this one. Just be careful.
Over there you have the Apocalypse 6x6. Let's take a look. That's the finished product.
I don't know if it's open, buddy.
And these are 37-inch wheels. "20-inch rims.
That's my old.
MSRP for this is a 2023. You can get it at
Might be in the market for another one. That's not actually a bad price.
44,000.
The base price is 44. We're asking 64 now. That's cheap. Yeah, so it's about usually a $20,000 upgrade.
Here you have the Apple Tannis Jeep.
Who's gonna get this
6x6. And it has 40-inch tires on 22-inch rims. And this is a true 6x6, as you guys can see down there. That's the axle going to the third wheel right here. Many people build them and those are actually done. Boom. Boom. Awesome.
I'm gonna wait a few. Get a little bit.
It's got the doors not connected. You're fine. You're good.
I don't think they brought the Hummer. Hey, excuse me.
How you doing, sir?
Good. Can I record you?
What did you like to record?
Just ask, did you guys bring your the Hummer you have over there?
So unfortunately, no, we didn't bring the Hummer. The Hummer did not fit on the trailer, unfortunately.
Okay.
So we brought our 6x6, we brought our Wrangler, and then on the other side of the tent, I have another 2 trucks.
Okay.
I have a Gladiator and a Ford Bronco over there.
Okay. So how do you come about this? Is this based off of the...
So it's not based off a Wrangler, it's based off of a Gladiator.
Gladiator,
And then
okay.
we extend the chassis. It runs off of a V6 turbo diesel motor.
Okay.
It's on 40s right now on American Force wheels.
Yes.
We do all the work custom in-house.
Okay.
On the interior, it's a plush marine grade leather.
Okay.
Has power steps. Your rear view mirror is actually going to run off of that. That backup camera is going to run off the rear view mirror there. We do a full audio system as well. The exterior is a 2-part epoxy Kevlar that we spray on.
Okay.
Very, very durable. Super low maintenance. No soap, no wax. Just a low grade pressure washer. And
Okay.
everything washes right off and wash the steps.
Awesome.
What's the asking price?
Right up. 164,999.
164. We do full.
So can somebody just walk off the street and buy one, or you have to
So
custom order?
both. You can do new and pre-owned vehicles with us and do factory orders, or somebody can do a customer-provided vehicle as well.
Awesome. All right. Thanks for showing me
No,
around.
no problem. Thank you.
Okay.
Make sure to check out the other 2 vehicles on the other side. All right.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you. Guys can see sitting on 40s, and it just looks gorgeous, and very long also. It's extremely long. Turbo diesel engine.
6x6.
That's what your aim is.
It's quite the attraction here. All the kids love it. Okay, let's check out the other vehicle they have. It's gonna be on the other side here. Oh, they got a Ford Bronco also. looks amazing.